paano tayo mag-request ng PSA birth certificate via online. So ito guys, dahil sa tulong ng psahelpline.ph, sila na po mismo magde-deliver sa inyo kung saan yung address ninyo. Para mapag-request tayo ng PSA birth certificate, punta tayo sa ating browser, then i-type natin psahelpline.ph. So dyan nakikita natin yung order now, click natin yan para mapag-request tayo. Then i-select natin dito guys kung ano yung i-request natin. So since sa atin i-request natin dito is birth certificate, then click natin yung continue. Kung kayo mismo yung nagre-request ng birth certificate, so i-select nyo tong my own birth certificate. Pero kung i-request niyo yung anak natin, so i-select natin dito guys yung for someone else. Whose birth certificate are you requested for? Then click natin yung continue. Ito yung kailangan natin guys, your name, sex, birthday, then your son's name, birthday, his father's name, or his mother's middle name, his birthplace, the purpose of your request, your delivery address and contact information.